Hello everyone, this is iwannasarny, and today I'm going to be doing something a little different than usual and make the Earthbender Mudslide from the official Avatar The Last Airbender Cookbook. For this smoothie, what you'll need is a small banana, a tablespoon full of toasted black sesame seeds, and I'm going to be using regular sesame seeds because I couldn't find the black ones, 4 teaspoons of cacao powder, and again I'm going to be using cocoa, even though it says not to because I couldn't find any cacao powder, 2 tablespoons of smooth peanut butter, 2 cups of unsweetened soy milk, but I think you probably could use other milk, and 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. The first thing I did was put my sesame seeds into a tablespoon and then put them into a pan. This was the only way I could think of to toast them safely and cleanly. I then turned the front knob to increase the heat beneath the pan to start toasting the sesame seeds. This process obviously gets very hot and should only be done in a clean, safe environment away from children. Whilst I waited for the sesame seeds to toast, I got to work on preparing the banana. Once the banana was prepared, I delicately put it into the blender container. By the time this process was done, the sesame seeds were toasted and ready to be added to the mix. After adding the sesame seeds, it was now time to add the 3 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Next in the instructions was to add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, but I'm dim and added the milk first. I didn't even add the right amount of milk, because my container's just so tiny. After the milk, I then added the peanut butter, which didn't look too appetizing. The final step of preparation was to add the 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. However, the instructions do say you can add more if you so wish. Now that the preparation was done, it was time for me to add the bladed lid and attach the container to the blender. The final stage is to now blend the mixed ingredients up until smooth. This stage can get loud and, if not attached correctly to the blender, very messy. I poured mine into a glass, but I suppose this isn't entirely necessary. Mine produced a light brown drink with a peanut buttery smell and very little taste of banana. If you want to try this out for yourself, don't be afraid to substitute ingredients or play around with different measurements. And of course, it never hurts to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.